with a new Zippo review. Today we're gonna take a look at a new armor Zippo that I received today, and this is the model 28807 Dragon Eye, and here it is. Ta-da! This is nice, very nice. You have the dragon skin engraved, and you have the eye, which is epoxy inlay. This is brand spanking new. This was made in, let's see, wow, is this a upsie? This is made in E of 14, so that will be May this year. I'm gonna remove the sticker, the price tag. This is priced $62.95. I think I paid about around $50. I'm gonna remove the seal. I always store them in the lid. Let's see if we can get this out without any residue. There, like this. There we go. An armor case, which is 1.5 times thicker than a regular Zippo. It's a little dull sound, and this insert is really loose. You can see the walls. Try to press this a little bit. That's better. Let's see, 5-barrel hinge, regular hinge on the armor Zippo. It's only the case that's thicker. The case was made in E of 14. This one is made in I of 14, so they don't match. Pretty loose. See, I want to remove that. Excuse me. So I use a screwdriver. Let's see. What? Are you serious? Oh, there you go. I ruined my screw. You can see it. Okay. Remove the flint. And then I remove the spring from the screw like this, and I put the spring inside of the lighter like this. So here it is. Zippo Dragon Eye armor case. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and comment. See you later, guys.